welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day, and I welcome you back. If you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. I am really excited. I have not a new subscription because I was sent this before to review and share with you guys, and ever so kindly again I have been sent to share with you guys the Vellabox. What I love about this is a candle subscription, you guys. Who doesn't love candles? Obviously we love our subscriptions. Well, now we can get them sent to our door. A little bit about Vellabox for those that do not know. They are all artisan candles. They have three different, set that down. They have three different levels of subscription that you can purchase. The first one is $10 a month, and you receive a 4-ounce candle. That is the Lucerna, and it gives approximately 25 hours of burn time, and you receive a surprise gift. The second option is $20 a month, and you receive an 8-ounce candle with approximately 50 hours of burn time. That is the Ignis. Again, you receive a special gift with that as well. And the third and final option is $30 a month, and that one you receive a 4-ounce and 8-ounce candle for a total burn time of 75 hours. And that is the Vivere, and that you also receive a surprise gift. So just to make sure, because for some reason I felt like I said minutes. For the Lucerna, the 4-ounce candle is 25 hours. For the Ignis, that is 50 hours, the 8-ounce candle. And for the Vivere, for the 4 and 8-ounce candle, it is 75 hours. So I will make sure to leave a link to their website down below so you guys could sign up if you like, because like I said, who doesn't love candles and getting them sent to your door? So we are going to dive in. This is the Vellabox for October 2018. And I see pumpkins. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Their candles always come in these adorable little drawstring bags, and there is always a beautiful quote here inside the box. This time it says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers," from Ellen Montgomery. I completely agree. The picture is gorgeous. Oh. Okay, so wait, how cute! Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, let's. Oh, I see our surprise gift. Trying to get the card out. There we go. Okay, so this way I can tell you about the candles. Okay. Alright, so it looks like both candles this month are going to be made by the same company. It is Untamed Supply. They are out of Kansas City, Kansas. And their website is untamedsupply.com. You can use code VB20 at checkout for 20% off your order and free shipping on orders over $75. They apparently have all their social sites, so Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of that is at untamed_supply. And let's see. Untamed Supply is passionate about bringing the natural sense of the wild outdoors inside, and they donate 3% of their profits to the national parks. Handcrafted products with simple, clean ingredients. That is amazing. That is so awesome. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and just dive in and see what these candles are all about. So we are gonna go ahead and we are gonna just, doesn't tell me which one is which, so I am just gonna start with the 4-ounce, which again, you guys, how cute are these bags? Oh, and they're canvas. They're super, super cute. When I did a review for them a few months ago, it was a cute, almost denim color. It had little white anchors on it. The bag was gorgeous. These are great to repurpose. I love these bags. So here we have Untamed Supply. It is a soy candle, 3% for national parks. Awesome. And again, 100% soy wax, hand poured. This is travel candle. And it says Cinder. I'm assuming that is the scent. You guys, that smells like a campfire or like a bonfire. And it like instantly takes me, oh my goodness. It like instantly takes me to sitting in the backyard around the fire pit when the crisp, cool autumn air and hearing the leaves crunch with the kids running around and, you know, like my husband and some friends sitting around maybe having a glass of wine. Oh, don't you love how candles can remind you or make you think of certain things? That is so awesome. So again, this was the Cinder. And that just transported me. So that is great. So let me find that here on the card and read a little bit about it. Cinder. Fragrance notes, it says hickory, smoke, clove, and fir. This scent perfectly replicates smoldering embers with a fallen morsel of marshmallow that fell onto the campfire. It's smoky, woody, and holds just a hint of sweetness. Exactly. 100%. Couldn't have said it better myself. So let's go ahead here and look at the next one. So obviously that was the 4-ounce candle. This is the 8-ounce candle. So this would be the Vivere box that is $30 a month, where you get the 8-ounce and the 4-ounce. So Untamed Supply. This says Hay Rides, and it also is a 100% soy candle. So let's see what Hay Rides says. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, I love fall, and this is like fall in a jar. Oh, it smells so good. I definitely smell like a pumpkin and this is my favorite time of year. Like, I would burn this scent year round because, like I said, fall is my favorite time of year. And this just is like literally fall in a jar. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see what they say. Hayride. Oh, I'm sorry, I bumped the camera. Fragrance notes. Apple, spiced orange, and cinnamon. Oh, it smells so good. Hitch up the hay wagon for a fall adventure, and a mug full of fresh pressed cider pairs perfectly with falling temperatures and foliage. Oh, love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, amazing candles. And again, that is Untamed Supply. Like I said, I'll make sure to link their social media down below, as well as the Vellabox website if you would like to sign up. You want to see what our special treat was? Our surprise gift? When I did the review for them back, it was July or August, like I said, it was kind of a nautical theme. So our surprise gift was little packets of Kula. I think it was After Sun care lotion. It was great. This month, We got some Ghirardelli chocolates. So we have the Ghirardelli dark chocolate caramel. Yum. And then we have 2 of the minis. These are both milk chocolate with caramel. Ooh, yummy. So, you guys, love it, love it, love it. Like I said, everything will be down below if you would like to check them out for Vellabox and for United Supply for their website and social media handles. So if you would like to sign up, that information, like I said, will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And like I said, if you have not already, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you. Otherwise, I will see you guys with the next video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.